Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create forms using form tools. We'll create a form using the form tool, create a split form, and create multiple items form. So for just creating a normal form, I would go up here and click on one of the tables, go to create, and then come over here where it says forms, and it shows all of the different forms that we have. So I'll click on form, and this pulls up a table showing all the customers, and then it also shows their order ID, order date. Down here, it shows the different orders that are on the table. And so to create this new form, you would just go over here, click the X, and then yes, save changes, and then customers and order form. And then it would come over here to where the objectives are, and it says forms. Creating a split form, we would just go to another one of the tables. So I'm going to go to order details, click on create, and then we're going to go to more forms. So you would just click on split form, and it also shows the same layout that the first one had, just a little bit different. You can scroll through these and see all of the different ones. It says there's 86 in here. And you do the same thing, go to close it out. Do you want to save this? Yes. Order details, split form. And then OK. And it would also show up down there. So then for the multiple items form, we would go to another table, products, create more forms, multiple items. And so you see this one looks a lot different than the other ones. So you can scroll through all of these, and if you choose to change anything, you can. But if you just wanted to create a multiple items form, you just hit the X to close it and save changes, and then products, multiple items form. And then, so to see all of your different forms that you have, so this would be our first form just with the customers and orders. This is our split form over here. And then we have the multiple items form. And that's it.